So this is the demo of my milestone 1 for the Space Invaders project for SE456. Some new features that I've added is there is now a timer manager that handles timer events for the sprite animation, and I've changed the add method here to sort on insertion. So that way any newly added timer events are sorted to the front in ascending order. So I will run the demo now to demonstrate that and set a breakpoint for printing out that timer node. So as you can see here, I run it for the first time, and you can see that these sprites animate on a 5-second basis here. Currently I've got, trying to move the grid. I've been having some problems moving the grid together and getting it to rebound correctly off the screen. I've got the top row of squid aliens being able to rebound off the screen correctly. And trying to figure out how come my other ones are not working quite right. So I've spent a little more time on the timer manager issue and trying to figure out the animation for moving the grid together as is right now. So that's where my project is currently. Thanks for watching.